Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download latest Instagram app on your Windows 11 device. First, head to the store, Microsoft Store here. If you don't have the option, you can always click on start button and click on search and search Microsoft Store. Click on Microsoft Store. Now in the search bar on the top of the screen, search Instagram and click on Instagram app. Now here you have this page of Instagram app. You can click on get to download the app and wait for it to download. When the app will be downloaded, it will show you the option of open. Click on it and here you go. You have your Instagram latest app on your Windows 11 device. Now click on login as you wanna log in into your Instagram account and there you go. Now please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.